In 2025, the people making the most money with AI won't be the programmers, the engineers, or even the big companies, but regular people who figure out how to put AI to work in small, smart, almost sneaky ways that nobody is really talking about yet. It sounds crazy, right? Because the internet is flooded with the same recycled advice. Start a chatbot, use AI to write blogs, make faceless YouTube videos. But let's be honest, everyone already knows that stuff, and it's overcrowded, boring, and not making most people real money anymore. So let's flip the script and talk about the underground, the unusual, and the strategies that sound strange at first but will quietly explode in 2025 when AI becomes not just a tool, but the silent employee you can rent, scale, and multiply without ever paying health insurance or worrying if it needs a coffee break. Here's the first. AI-driven microservices for individuals, not businesses. Everybody is trying to sell B2B services like AI customer support to companies, but nobody is looking at the personal market where millions of people are desperate for custom tools. Imagine selling a $5 per month AI personal scheduler to busy college students, or a micro app that auto-writes professional Tinder bios that actually convert into dates, or even a voice cloning tool for parents who want bedtime stories in their own voice while they're traveling for work. It's not about building the next ChatGPT. It's about creating small, emotional products that hit where people actually feel stress or loneliness. And trust me, emotional AI services are going to print money in 2025. Second, AI arbitrage. This one sounds almost illegal, but it's not. Imagine using free or cheaper AI models in one place to provide premium services somewhere else. For example, there are sites charging $200 for professional logo design, while you can create a stunning, brand-ready logo in minutes with the right AI prompts. Then package it with a polished presentation and sell it for $50, $100. The client thinks they're paying for human creativity, but really, you just became the middleman between AI and a wallet. And this kind of AI middle-layer business is going to be the gold rush that no one is openly teaching, because they don't want more competition. Third, AI-powered real estate scouting. Think about this. Most investors spend hours digging for properties, scanning listings, and crunching numbers. Boring, manual work. But with AI, you can train a system to scan thousands of listings in seconds, filter for underpriced homes, and detect patterns of neighborhoods about to boom, and then either invest yourself or sell those hot leads to real estate investors who'll pay thousands for the right deal. It's not about owning houses, it's about selling information faster than anyone else, and AI will make that possible. Fourth, AI-generated niche experiences. No, I'm not talking about generic AI art or chatbots. I mean curated AI journeys that feel human. Imagine a personalized travel companion that builds a full trip with secret local spots, generates voice-guided tours in any language, and even sends real-time food suggestions based on your diet. Or think about AI that crafts deeply personalized bedtime stories for kids with their names, friends, pets, and even fears woven into the plot. Parents will pay insane money for something like that because it feels magical, not mechanical. And the person who packages it right becomes the next quiet millionaire. And finally, the fifth, AI as silent labor in old-school industries. Everyone is obsessed with flashy new startups. But the hidden money is in dusty industries like trucking, farming, or even plumbing, fields where nobody expects AI, but efficiency saves thousands. Picture a plumber who uses AI to auto-diagnose pipe problems through customer-submitted videos before even driving out, saving hours and charging a premium for instant response. Or a farmer using AI to forecast crop issues before they appear, and then selling those forecasts to neighboring farms. It's not sexy, but it's sticky, and sticky money stays. The crazy part is most people will ignore these opportunities because they don't look glamorous. But that's exactly why they'll be profitable. The less obvious, the more lucrative. So, when you think about making money with AI in 2025, Don't look where everyone else is looking, and don't chase the overhyped trends. Instead, search for the gaps, the little cracks where people's problems hide, and ask yourself, how can I make AI solve this in a way that feels human? Because the truth is, the future won't belong to the people who build the biggest AI. It'll belong to the people who make AI feel invisible, personal, and necessary. And if you can master that, you won't just survive the AI wave. You'll ride it straight into financial freedom, while everyone else is still stuck asking the wrong questions.